Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about virtual data rooms for due diligence, a case study. Virtual data rooms, VDRs, secure online repositories for storing and sharing confidential information. Case study, Acme Corporation. Acme Corporation is a mid-sized manufacturing company that was considering selling itself to a larger competitors. Acme needed to conduct due diligence to ensure that it was getting a fair price and that the acquisition would be in the best interest of its shareholders. Acme decided to use a VDR to manage the due diligence process. The VDR allowed Acme to securely share confidential information with potential buyers such as financial statement, business plan, and product demos. The VDR also made it easy for potential buyer to review the information and ask questions. Acme was able to track all user activity in the VDR, so it could see who had accessed the information and what they had done with it. The due diligence process took several months, but Acme was able to successfully complete the sale of the company. The VDR was essential to the success of the transaction. Benefits of using VDRs for due diligence. Security. VDRs offer a number of security features to protect confidential information such as encryptions, access control, and audit logging. This is essential for due diligence as the information being shared is often highly sensitive. Efficiency. VDRs can help to streamline the due diligence process by making it easy to share and manage confidential information. This can save time and money for both for seller and the buyer. Transparency. VDR can help to improve transparency by providing all stakeholders with easy access to information they need. They can help to build trust between seller and the buyer. Tips for using VDRs for due diligence. Choose the right VDR provider. There are a number of VDR providers on the market. It is important to choose a VDR provider that offers the features and security that you need. Organize your document carefully. Before you upload your documents to the VDR, take some time to organize them carefully. This will make it easier for user to find the information they need. Grant access to the right user. Only grant access to the VDR to the right user who need it. This includes potential buyers, their investors, and relevant parties. Monitor user activity. Monitor user activity in the VDR to identify any suspicious activity. This will help to protect your data from unauthorized access. Use the VDR's features to advantage. Most VDRs offer a variety of features that can help to streamline the due diligence process and improve security. Make sure to use these features to your advantage. In the conclusions, VDRs can be valuable tool for due diligence. VDRs help to improve the security, efficiency, and transparency of the due diligence process. If you are considering using a VDR due diligence process, I encourage you to do your research and compare different VDR providers to find the best solution for your needs. So that's it. Thank you everyone. I hope you will understand this topic. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.